Hey everybody, welcome back to Peak State Mathematics. We're going to turn up the speakers, get the energy flowing so we can learn in peak state. Let's go! Welcome back to another episode of Peak State Mathematics. We're taking a look at our parallel and perpendicular lines unit here, and we're going to start assigning some vocabulary to our angle pair relationships. We've got about 5 different pairs that we're going to look at today and give some names to, first being our corresponding angles. An example would be angles 2 and 6. These are corresponding angles, and the way I try to remember them is they're in like corresponding or like the same location of those little 4 packs of angles. For example, when we look at those 2 kind of blue bubbles there, 2 and 6 are both in that same location. I know it says upper right, but I think I meant to write upper left. So that's your corresponding ones. The next ones we look at are alternate interior angles, and alternate meaning like the opposite side of your transversal. A transversal is a line that cuts through 2 other lines. For example, here with our 9 and 15, J would be the transversal that connects 9 and 15 between the lines M and N. So alternate interior, they're on opposite sides of the transversal. Interior, they're in between the 2 lines that are being cut. That brings us to our third one, alternate exterior. Very, very similar here. You're going to be on the alternate sides of your transversal. However, instead of being interior, you'll be exterior, right? So on the outside of our 2 cut lines by that transversal. So in this example, you've got 11 and 13. Next, we're going to jump into consecutive interior, and our 5th one is consecutive exterior angles. This consecutive means you're on the same side of the transversal. And so we're still dealing with like a transversal J cutting through lines M and N, but if we're inside or outside of the lines, that'll determine our interior exterior. For example, our consecutive interior angles would be 9 and 14. Our consecutive exterior angles would be 10 and 13. So go ahead and use this information to help you identify some angle relationship pairs and the transversal that cuts through them. Get yourself back into peak state. Here we go. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching this video lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something. Please hit subscribe so you have access to all of our video lessons. And if you want live, free tutoring with me every single Monday, check out peakstatemathematics.com and sign up for that. Until next time, remember, always learn in a peak state.